Hi, all my darlings. Welcome back to Cooking with Ash. I know you guys are tired of eating meat, or eating fish, curry or stew. So today we're doing a different take on it. In today's kitchen session, we will be preparing a mouth-watering jerk fish. To begin, I will prepare the marinade, utilizing this outstanding jerk seasoning from Grace, which I have found to add a delightful honey-infused flavor to the protein. You can use it to season anything of your choice, and it do gives a delicious flavor. I will combine it with dried seasonings and olive oil in a bowl, ensuring a thorough mix. Next, I will apply this marinade to my washed and pat-dried fish, gently massaging the seasoning into the flesh, and then set it aside to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. My fish of choice, I'm using red snapper. You can use any fish of your choice. Typically, I also stuff the inside of the fish with sweet peppers and thyme for added flavor. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the fish for 20 to 25 minutes, and that is depending on its size. You can also use an air fryer for this recipe. And that's it. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, plate and serve. Let Atiana give us her review. Atiana going in with the taste test. It's a big bite, girl. How is it comparing to your jerk chicken?
They kind of taste the same, but they taste
It's
really
the
good.
same seasoning,
It
pretty
is good,
much.
though.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I don't even...
Take piece of the fish by itself. The fish is so flaky and moist. That's thyme. You taste the honey in it?
A little bit. It's like
Subtle, yeah. So would you recommend for them to try it? There
If
you
you're
have
too lazy to make jerk chicken.
Make jerk stumper. There you have it, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's chef's kiss. It's delicious. It's juicy. I have that flavorful seasoning throughout. Stay blessed, stay safe until we see you guys with another delicious recipe.
Bye. Mwah.